Morning. Subject, Barnaby.
Every morning is the same. Barnaby wakes up, CK dispenses exactly one piece of dry kibble. The town of Oakhaven, a place of peace, tranquility, and competitive gardening.
Good morning, Barnaby.
Unfortunately, focus is not Barnaby's strong suit. And in Oakhaven, disaster strikes fast! No!
After that incident, Barnaby went home and...
Error. Timeline corrupted. Initiating reset.
Barnaby wakes up with a start. He looks confused.
Didn't I just do this?
Barnaby is back in the square with his sandwich. The petunias are perfect again. He stares at them suspiciously.
A perfect day for perfection, isn't it, Barnaby?
Mayor, I have a bad feeling about those flowers.
My babies!
You did this! You rebooted the town!
Barnaby tackles a squirrel on a skateboard, rolling reel over the flowers anyway. Barnaby throwing a giant tarp over the flowers, the tarp blowing away and ripping the flowers out by the roots. Tortoise. The tortoise is just eating lettuce. The flowers explode in the background while he's distracted.
Of course. It wasn't a villain. It was physics and a stork.
Barnaby wakes up with determination. No yawning. He grabs his emergency tuna pouch.
The stork flies past peacefully, delivering the piano next door.
The next day, Barnaby wakes up and checks his phone. It's Tuesday, not Monday anymore.
We did it! It's Tuesday!
Congratulations! Timeline stabilized. However, new data suggests the town's supply of tuna has inexplicably vanished.
Oh no! Here we go again!